So to install the moisture board on your dryer, it's a very easy thing to install. It basically will slip onto your electrical harness. Now in this model, the electrical harness is already secured to the machine. Yours may be different. It may be held with 1 or 2 screws. But in this one, it's just a matter of inserting that moisture board into the electrical harness and pushing it firmly into place till it locks. So now we're just going to install our console into place. Just going to tip it back and lock in these fingers into these notches. We'll do that on both sides. So now we just need to put the back on. So with the back in place, we're just going to put our screws in. On this machine, these are 1/4 inch headed screws. Just need a 1/4 inch nut driver or socket. Yours may be held with a different type of screw head. So whichever type of screw is on yours, you'll just want to use the appropriate screwdriver for it. It's just that easy to install the moisture board on your dryer.